Wrench coming at you with another video. I know I started this venture a while ago when I purchased a 1989 Suzuki Samurai from Facebook Marketplace. Unfortunately, the weather here in Colorado has been very unstable with high winds, and most of the work that I'm doing to the vehicle has been outside. In the meantime, I've been working on my 1988 Suzuki Samurai, putting content out there for you, the virtual audience. We're going to get back to the 89 while the winds calm down a little bit and I can start working on other parts outside. But in the meantime, feel free to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. So follow me over here and let's see what we're working on. Here's the new project I was talking about till we get consistent good weather here in Colorado. This is the Suzuki Samurai's transfer case. We're going to go ahead, clean her up, dismantle her, check all the gears, all the bearings, replace anything that needs to be replaced, put it back together. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and start by cleaning her up and go from there. I'm going to go ahead and let this degreaser do its job for a while it sits in the sun, and then go ahead and power wash it. Alright, it's show time. Let's take her apart and see what we find inside. Alright, now that we got the transfer case split in half, make sure you find yourself a good flat surface where you can put all your parts and keep them together. Just keep them together somewhere so you don't lose anything and regret this project later on. Definitely keep these little parts together. You're going to need them later on. In this section, we're going to be working on removing the gears and the bearings from the main part of the transfer case. You're going to need some tools, so try to avoid using a hammer beating gears out. You don't want to destroy what's inside. One of the tools that I use, bearing separator and puller set. Here I'm using a bearing puller to separate the bearings from the transfer case. power wash these covers one more time and hopefully get some shine. Alright, I got these covers cleaned up and ready to go. I went ahead and used an oven cleaner to get these cleaned off. If there's any other degreaser out there that you highly recommend, feel free to comment below. I'm going to finish the final disassembly by removing the retaining rings, seals, and bearings. This section we want to make sure all the gears are intact, nothing's chewed up. And I'm going to go ahead and order what needs replacement. You should be able to order your transfer rebuild kit from any online distributor. Now just sit back and wait. Alright, the parts came in. Since I'm trying to keep these videos short and sweet, and I'm a one-man show who does all the work and the video production, there's going to be a part 2 to this transfer case rebuild. In the meantime, while I figure out my next move, like always, keep wrenching.